Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to share how to write the sentences in 3 paragraphs. So the objective is you need to understand how to write the sentences in the paragraph correctly. Okay, this is the writing session. I want to share with you my technique how to write the complete sentences correctly without any errors. Okay, firstly, what you can do are, firstly, you need to understand the pictures given. So you need to understand what the pictures given and what the question wants. Okay, second, you need to know and understand how to use table technique. Okay, number 3, you need to write the sentences in 3 paragraphs. And the last one, please check your answer. Okay, this is my technique. Firstly, understand the pictures given, what the question wants. Number 2, table technique. Number 3, the sentences in 3 paragraphs. Write the sentences in 3 paragraphs, and the last one, check your answer. Okay, this is the table technique for writing the sentences. Okay, first table for time marker, untuk masa, ataupun or for linkers. Okay, for example of time marker is after that, without any hesitation, out of the blue and so on. Okay, first table is for subject. Subject ni adalah siapa. Okay, tu siapa. Kemudian verb, kata kerja. Verb untuk kata kerja. For this writing section, you need to write the story in past tense or past continuous. Okay, next, object. Object, what, who, where and why. Okay, what, untuk apa. Kemudian who, siapa. Where, di mana. Why, kenapa. Kenapa, contohnya kenapa call the police. Okay, and the last one is for kalau ada apa-apa yang kamu nak tambah lah. Okay, this is the sample of the table technique. Alright, this is the technique how to use the table to write the sentences. Okay, firstly, look at the pictures given and the question given. What happened when Jannah returned home from school one day? Okay, what is the verb given? Okay, for example, return home. Okay, the verb return. Okay, so we write the verb first. Okay, for example, return. Okay, returned. Okay, who was returned home? Okay, so the question, write Jannah. Okay, so subject or who, siapa, Jannah. Okay, Jannah returned. Okay, return what? Return apa? Perlu jawab ke tak? Okay, perlu jawab ke tak? Okay, tak perlu. Okay, return who? Pulang siapa? Perlu jawab tak? Okay, tak perlu. When? Okay, perlu ke tak? Okay, no need. Seterusnya why? Kenapa? Okay. Okay, seterusnya kenapa? So, Jannah return. Kita teruskan dengan when. Okay, return home from school. Okay. Okay. Jannah return home from school. Okay, dapat satu ayat. Okay, kalau kita baca balik, when we read again, Jannah return home from school. Ada lagi tak idea? We have an idea untuk memurnikan ke tidak? Okay, for example, Jannah return home from school. Okay, when? Bila? Okay, in the afternoon. Okay, in the afternoon. Okay, kemudian tengok dekat bahagian hujung sekali, at your left hand, hujung sekali. Okay, boleh tambah, for example nak tambah time marker. Okay, contoh teacher tambah last Monday. Okay, last Monday Jannah return home from school in the afternoon. Okay, next. Okay, so ni Jannah, here is Jannah return home, and then what she saw. Okay, saw. So the verb, second verb is saw. Saw. Who saw? Siapa yang nampak? Siapa yang terlihat? Okay. Now, okay, when you want to write the sentences, please no need to repeat again. So tukar Jannah kepada kata ganti nama she. She saw. Dia lihat apa? She saw what? Okay, lihat apa? She saw, perlu jawab ada apa? Okay, tak perlu, for example, she saw who? Dia nampak siapa? Nampak siapa? Her grandmother. Okay, nampak her grandmother. Okay, where? Di mana? Where? Okay, where? Okay, lying unconscious. Okay, unconscious on the floor. Okay, lying unconscious on the floor. Maksudnya Jannah, she ternampak neneknya, okay, jatuh di atas lantai. Okay, pengsan tidak sadarkan diri, lying unconscious. Okay, pengsan tidak sadarkan diri di mana? Where? Di atas lantai. Okay. Okay, third sentences, ayat yang ketiga. Okay, ayat yang ketiga, setelah dia nampak, when she saw, what she did, what she do, what she did, what she do. Okay. Okay, what she do, dia nampak dia akan apa? Panic. Okay, verb panic. Okay, panic. She panic. Okay, panic what? Apa? Perlu jawab tak? Okay, tak perlu. Okay, for example, teacher bagi why. She panic because her mother not at home. Okay, kerana emaknya tiada di rumah. Okay, so baca soalan lagi. What did she do? Okay, after she panic because her mother not at home, what she do? Okay, what she do? Nampak tak second picture given in the question? She called her mother. Okay, so the verb is call. called. Okay, she called who? Siapa? Her mother. Bermakna she called her mother. Okay, she called her mother. Okay, contoh teacher nak tambah dekat sini, time marker teacher tambah without any hesitation. Okay, tanpa membuang masa, S kecil. Okay, tanpa membuang masa, she called her mother. Okay, after that, call. After that, her mother, makna call. Okay, call apakah? Call the ambulance. Okay, after that, her mother called the ambulance. Okay, so bila after her mother called the ambulance, so next verb arrive. Okay, ambulance sampai. Okay, so after 15 minutes, selepas 15 minit, the ambulance arrive. Okay, the ambulance arrive. Kemudian bila sampai, dia bawa. Okay, so the ambulance took. Okay, took who? Her grandmother to the hospital nearby, yang berdekatan. So the ambulance took her mother to the hospital nearby. Okay, read again your sentences. After 15 minutes, the ambulance arrived. The ambulance took her grandmother. Okay, the ambulance. So this is same subject. So you can put what? Conjunction and conjunction and. So dia tak ada ni, potong. The ambulance potong. So dia akan jadi after 15 minutes, the ambulance arrived. No need to put full stop. After 15 minutes, the ambulance arrived and took her grandmother to the hospital nearby. Okay, so dia akan jadi ayat compound. Okay, so baca balik the first paragraph. Last Monday, Jannah returned home from school in the afternoon. She saw her grandmother lying unconscious on the floor. She panicked because her mother not at home. Okay, without any hesitation, tanpa membuang masa, she called her mother. Okay, dia telefon mak dia because her mother not at home. After that, her mother called the ambulance. Okay, after 15 minutes, the ambulance arrived and took her grandmother to the hospital nearby. Okay, settle paragraph 1. So, for your homework, untuk tugasan kamu for your homework, please finish up the sentences of paragraph 2 and paragraph 3. Paragraph 2 and paragraph 3. Okay, using picture 3 and picture 4. Okay, using picture 3 and picture 4. So please continue the paragraph 2 and 3 using picture 3 and picture 2. Okay, for picture 3. Okay, so the verb you can use is who was stay in the hospital. So di sini the grandmother. Okay, so when the grandmother stay at the hospital, in the hospital, Jenna need to care of her grandmother. Okay, so the verb is stay. Okay, stay, for example. So please continue the sentences of paragraph 2 and paragraph 3. Okay, try to write your correct sentences using this table. Okay, thank you for watching.